2013 Dodge Dart 2.0 automatic, replacing this part at the end of the transmission cable. Remove your battery. You got a 10mm bolt here, a 10mm bolt on your positive, 10mm bolt on your battery. After you remove the battery, you're going to remove your intake cover. You got an 8 right here. You have a 7 right there. And you want to move this clip back. Just pops off. And this whole cover comes off. After you remove the battery and the cover, you want to remove this 90. You have a 10 for your ECU right there. A 10 right here, a 10 right here. There's a ground on this one, so make sure you unhook that ground and remember to hook that ground back up. And then these two little clamps you push down right here, and this red goes up. Same thing with back here, they're about the same. And then this comes off. Then you want to remove this 90. To remove this 90 is a 10 right there. A 10 right there. And a 10 right there. And this 90 will come off after you remove the ECU. So then after that, you want to remove the battery tray. You have a 10 right there, a 13 right there. And then there's 2 holes right there. Those are 13s, I just haven't put the bolts back in there. Then there's a 10 down here underneath the fender well, so you have to pop out your fender well. And there's a little silver bolt just like this. There's a wiring harness in the way, but then you remove, I think it's a 10 underneath there after you remove the fender well. And then the battery tray will slide off of the subframe right here, and the battery tray will be out of your way. This is on top of your transmission underneath the battery tray. That's where your shifter cable goes to that 90, and that is your sensor for when you shift gears. Remove that. This is your shifter sensor. This sensor right here, I replaced it just because I didn't know if it was messed up or not, but there's only 2 bolts. I think this is a 10, and then there's another 10 way back under here. This is on top of the sensor. This is what shifts your gears, and what happened to me was the black cable right there kept popping off because that clear piece was broken, and it was originally orange from the factory, and I found a replacement part to replace that instead of having to replace the whole cable. So without having to replace the whole cable, it saved me a bunch of time and headache. So I'll show you the part that I replaced it with. The original one is to the right, the orange one. The clear one to the left is the new part that I found at Advanced Auto Parts. It's for a GM. It was the exact same diameter, same size, everything about it was perfect. So this is a perfect replacement instead of having to replace the whole cable. This is the GM part that I found that worked. It came with 2 little bushings, but I used only 1 of them. So I hope this video helps anybody that is in the same situation. Feel free to comment any questions. I will be glad to answer. And subscribe. Thank you.